Hey guys, excited to show some construction progress. This is the entrance door that you go through, so private garage door going into that, and then you're gonna be greeted with this massive wall, all white wall with black garage door and a black man door. So this is Lex Exotics. So room for 12 to 14 cars in here without lifts, branding on this. Inside here is the lower lounge, 70-inch flat screen TV here, couch, coffee table. This will be all open glass with a high top bar, and then back here is going to be the state-of-the-art golf simulator and Formula One simulator in here. So beautiful view of the cars, massive ceilings, and we're going to have the hexagrid lighting up there. Now going upstairs, upper deck here with just a crazy view of all the cars from up here. Another couch, 70-inch TV, large T-shaped bar overlooking the area here, poker table, and then full kitchen and bar. So Lex Exotics coming soon.